Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get started with Adobe Fresco on iPad. After downloading and launching Fresco, get started on your first drawing by tapping the Create New button on the home screen. Choose from one of the preset image sizes or create your own custom size to open up a blank canvas. Before we put Apple Pencil to digital paper, let's take a look at some of the features that make Fresco so fun and easy to draw with. Adobe Fresco brushes. If there's one thing that truly sets Fresco apart from other illustration and paint applications, it's the array and functionality of brushes available to users. There are three kinds of brushes: raster, vector, and live. Live brushes. For many users, live brushes provide Fresco's defining characteristic and serve as a source of creative inspiration. Live brushes are Fresco's tools for oil painting and watercolor that recreate the experience and results of using real brushes to an extent that astonishes many users. Fresco's oil brushes include flat, round, filbert, detail, glaze, chunky, and short. Watercolor brushes are round detail, wash soft, wash flat, and wet splatter. The second, raster brushes. Third, vector brushes. Line-based vector are scales up and down in size and is widely used for anything that's going to be printed, from brochures to t-shirts to product packaging. Fresco's brushes offer endless possibilities for adding texture, style, and personality to vector paths and shapes. Fresco features 5 types of vector: brushes, basic round, basic topper, basic flat, basic chisel, and basic terminal. Fresco's vector brush settings are roundness, angle, topper, pressure dynamics, and velocity dynamics, plus a smoothing option. Eraser tool. The eraser does a great deal more than simply fix mistakes in Fresco. It's a tool that can help you easily enhance your drawing. Like brushes, there are different types of erasers at your disposal: pixel and vector. Pixel eraser types include hard round variable, brush tilt, gritty scale, gritty circle, and rectangle opacity, to name a few. Vector erasers mirror vector brushes: basic round, basic topper, basic flat, basic chisel, and basic terminal. The eraser tool functions more like a brush in Fresco, which means the distinctive edges and characteristics of a specific brush type can be used to remove lines and color from your drawing. The touch shortcut makes accessing and using this feature incredibly easy. Now that you're all set up, it's time to draw. Open a new layer by clicking on the plus sign in the right sidebar, and this separates your line work from the background canvas, so you can easily edit as you work on your drawing. Choose a brush and brush size from the left sidebar and start sketching. It's that simple to begin. The app comes with a feature that allows you to quickly create basic shapes that will elevate your drawing. Access the Shapes tool by clicking on the overlapping triangle and circle icon in the left sidebar. A menu will pop up listing basic shape: circle, polygon, and square or library shapes, which allows you to create and capture your own shapes and save them directly in the app for future use. After choosing a shape from the menu, simply tap the location where you'd like it to appear on your canvas. You can change the size, fill the shape in with a color, and use the erase, mask and select actions that pop up in the shape menu on the bottom of the screen. Painting and blending. One of the coolest things about Adobe Fresco Live brushes is the ability to paint and blend as if you're using real watercolor and oil paints. To try these features, first add another layer from the right side menu. This is where you'll paint. Choose a watercolor or oil brush from the brush menu. Then pick a color by clicking on the circle icon in the left sidebar. The bottom three icons in the left sidebar, flow, paint mix, and brush settings, allow you to control how much paint shows up on the canvas, how much a new brush strokes blends with the existing paint on the canvas, and how angle and pressure dynamics affects your brush stroke. Returning to your artistic roots. For all the new creative possibilities represented by Adobe Fresco, many professional artists have reported that using the application helps them reconnect with their early experience in drawing and painting with traditional tools and allows them to incorporate those skills back into their daily routines. This may be the true legacy of advanced digital art applications to disappear almost entirely and help bring artists full circle to a place of pure creativity. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.